Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This your guest Mama Sagari Channel. Fitiller also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 15 hanggang July 21 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. Update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information paano kayo sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. For weekly gabay for this sign of Scorpio. So there is a Four of Wands, a celebration. Na marami mga celebration na magaganap. Now there's something homecoming, family gatherings, or meron kang dadaluhang events, no? Birthday, wedding, or maaaring there's something guys na maaaring kasal ka na, no? Or maaaring pumasok ka na sa isang mas mataas na relationship, no? For a higher level of commitment. So there's something Four of Wands for 11-11. Angels number, there's a strengthen with the confidence. So kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo, no? Taasan mo ang kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Kailangan palaban ka, no? Let's see. And there's a Seven with the sneakiness. No, there's a cheating lying on you. Just being aware na mayroon taong nagsisinungaling, no? Tinatrader ka, niloloko ka. Na mag-ingat ka, may sekretong nakatago sa likod nito. And this is something that I serve as success driven, na may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na magtatagumpay, unti-unti mo nang may isa sa katuparan ano man yung bagay na gusto mong makuha. Bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. There is something that Two of Wands. Choices, pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. You have the power to choose. No? Kaya mong pumili. No? Meron kang kakayanan para piliin na naman yung bagay na ninais mo, gusto mo. And there's something that faces for something hidden agenda or hidden enemies. So may mystery sa likod dito. No? Marami kang bagay na hindi pa lubos na nauunawaan na nakikita. Marami kang bagay na mari-reveal sa'yo. No? And there's something unexpected situations na may mga bagay din dito na hindi mo inaakala na ganun mangyayari. There's a Star card, healing and recovery. Huwag ka mag-alala. Makaka-recover ka na. At makakaranas ka dito na muling pag-asa na makamit mo ano man yung bagay na gusto mo makuha. There's a lot of celebration talaga. Now, there's something, the Eight of Swords. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Maging matapang ka dahil napapalibutan ka ng toxic and negativities. No? Then of course, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, maging aware ka. No? Dahil some of them guys, malambing, and of course, lumalapit lang sa'yo kasi kailangan kanila. No? But definitely guys, kapag alam na hindi, wala nang pakinabang sa'yo, no, itchapwera ka na. Kaya kailangan lakas ang pakiramdam mo. And there's a Six of Swords with transition. Kailangan mo na makalis dyan sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No? Puno-puno ng mga impostor, sinungaling, manluloko, at maraming tinatago sa iyo dyan. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. Unti-unti nito babaguhin ang iyong kapalaran. There's an Ace of Wands for a new project, new ideas, new business ventures, no, at bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. What is the Two of Wands? Reference with the Eight of Wands. So there's a past communication, past movement, na magkakaroon ng changes and development na sa situations mo. And of course, there's something that's our moment for major changes. Unti-unti na raw magbabago ang situation mo, kalagayan mo, no? Yung mga akala mong wala ng pag-asa at wala ng pagbabago, pero ito pala, no? Maaring makakaranas ka na ng changes and development. What is additional messages? Reference with the Nine of Pentacles. Maging secure ka. No? Pangalagaan at protection mo, ano man yung bagay na meron ka. Pag-ingatan mo. No, wag ka lubos na nagtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid mo. There's an emperor, see maturity, having respect. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng respeto sa sarili mo at disiplina. No, wag kang basta-basta nakikinig sa mga sulsol or buyo ng ninuman. And there's a need of Pentacles, something focus na pagdating sa trabaho o negosyo. And of course, there's something the Nine of Wands for slow and steady. No, matuto kang kumalma. Huwag kang magmadali, no? Sa pagbukas or pagbuo ng plano, kailangan mong maging mahinahon. And there's a Ten of Wands na makakawala at makakalaya ka na rin for burdens. No? There's a lot of phone calls and messages coming in. No? Ikaw na lang pipili kung anong opportunities ang para sa'yo or pipiliin mo para sa'yo. No? There's the Moon card with a dream coming true at matutupad yung mga pangarap mo dito at malalaman mo na, no, kung sino tong nagbibigay pasakit at bigat sa'yo at gustong sumira sa'yo. No? Revelasyon, secrets or something hidden with unexpected situation, and there's something, an inner voice na makinig ka sa intuitions mo. There's something, a major changes or chaos, disaster, na malalaman mo na kung bakit nasira or maaaring bakit kasi nisira. And of course, for the outcome is the Wheel of Fortune with a turning back. No, wag kang mag-alala. No, iikot ang kapalaran at papabor sa'yo. There's a blessing coming in. And there's a Knight of Swords. Now, some of you guys, maging mature ka at maging grounded ka dyan dahil marami tao sa paligid mo na toxic at mapang-abuso. No? Some of you stress, depressed, and of course, nag-overthink ka. Kaya kailangan maging mature ka how to handle it, no? And there's a Devil card. Oh my God. No, there's something, the Devil card na meron talagang nagsisinungaling behind your back about dito sa trabaho mo or negosyo mo. Na meron talagang makakarang at tumadlang dyan. There's something in negativities na kailangan mong makalisan at makaalis dyan. No, may traitor. There's an Ace of Cups. There's something, a new love coming in. May bagong pag-ibig na darating. And Eight of Cups, something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na from burdens. Now, for struggles. Lahat ng mga pasakit-pasanin na yan, makakawala ka na dyan. And there's a Four of Swords. Makinig ka sa intuition mo. Intuition and inner voice. No, meron talagang pinababatid sa panaginip mo. Or sa intuition mo, instinct mo, visions mo. No, predictions mo. Binabahagi sa'yo kung bakit o sino ang pilit na sumisira sa'yo. No, malalaman mo na yan. So guys, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Let's see guys. Pagdating tayo sa finances and career, so let's see. For finances and career, guys. So there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Oh, aani ka na. No, na mga hinihintay mo, ng mga bagay na pinagpaguran mo, eto na yon. No, abot kamay mo na. There's a harvest moment. Nga lang, may tumatrader with the Ten of Swords. No? May humakad lang at tumakarang sa'yo. And of course, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo na talagang pagdesisyonan. No? And there's a Chariot card with an action and movement. No, kailangan mo na kumilos, gumalaw at mag-decide. And there's a Two of Cups with a partnership na mag-ingat ka sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, mga nakakausap mo, nakakahalubilo mo. Just being aware. And there's a Kingman. No, there's something delays. Kaya ka nakakaranas ng delays and cancellations from every transactions. Meron ako na sense dito na tumatrader sa'yo. There's an evil eye. So, let's see, pagdating sa love life. So, there's the Temperance with a perfect timing. So, this is a moment na talagang nakalaan yung para sa hindi talaga. No? And there's the King of Pentacles. Maging practical, secure ka pagdating sa relationship. Napangalagaan, protection mo ang inyong relasyon. And there's a Hermit card, the answer you need is here. Na binibigyan ka na ng kasagutan sa katanungan mo. And there's another one's konting tagtyaga na lang, malalaman mo na at matutuklasan mo na lahat. And there's a Three of Wands, the waiting is over. No, kung may hinihintay ka, there's a possible na makuha mo na or maaaring dumating na siya, yung person mo. No? There's a Five of Cups, something disappointment. So some of you guys, no, meron dito nagsisisi, nangihinayang, no, na nararanasan nyo, no, with your person. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, there's a Three of Swords in reverse, something recovery from the pain. Makaka-recover na kayo sa mga nararamdaman nyo. And there's an Empress card, no? Self-love, self-care. Kailangan nyo mahalin na talagaan yung sarili nyo. And there's a Three of Cups for celebration. No, maraming celebration na magaganap. And there's a Six of Pentacles at magtutuloy-tuloy na raw ang magandang kalusugan para sa iyo. No, makinig ka sa intuition mo, tama ka ng nararamdaman at tama ka ng hinala. Gawin mo yon. There's a visions with the King of Wands. No, look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titingnan yung magiging posibilidad. No, yung nararamdaman mo. And there's a Kingman. No, there's a judgment for something, a wake-up call. No, this is the moment parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan na you need to pay attention. So guys, let's see what is the magical fire messages. Advices of course sa pick a card, yes or no. No, kung bago ka sa channel ko guys, ang pick a card, yes or no, pwede ka magtanong. Isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. Kapag nakapili ka na, comment down below. Then of course, sa dulo na reading na to, doon mo malalaman ang magiging sagot sa tanong mo. Comment down below kung saan umabot ang videos ko, saan man lokasyon mo. Then of course, maraming salamat po guys sa mga nag-share ng aking video sa anumang uri ng social media platforms. Maraming salamat po sa paghihintay ng aking upload for weekly gabays. Maraming salamat po. See you. And let's see what is additional messages with the magical fire messages advices. So let's watch this. Let's see what is the magical fire messages represent what. For magical fire messages, so, represent guys with a vegetarian. So, more in veggies ka, no? Tantanan mo muna yung kakalaman mo ng mga karne-karne, no? More on gulay ka muna. And there's a new career. Wow! Na magkakaroon ka ng bagong career, your work, focus on the shifting in a positive, new, and successful directions. And of course, there's something of flower power. You have a personal healing powers, no? Unti-unti nang gagaling ang iyong mga nararamdaman, ang iyong sitwasyon, kalagayan. What is the yin and yang oracle card? So, represent guys with the karma and justice, no? Makukuha mo niyo yung karma na what you deserve, and there's just a justice and what you deserve. No? Makuha mo yung siyang nararapat para sa iyo. And there's an assistant guidance with the spirit guides. No, ginagabayan ka ng ating gabay. No, or either there's an ancestor gumagabay sa iyo. And there's a north with the purpose. Malalaman mo ang purpose mo sa buhay. Na magkakaroon ka ng mga realizations, intuitions. What is synchronicities represent what? And there's an insured. No, maraming mga signs and synchronicities na ipinababatid pagdating sa relasyon, pakikipag-ugnayan, pakikipag-usap, pakikipagtalakayan. No, mag-ingat ka no, sa mga transactions na gagawin mo. And of course, mag-ingat ka sa mga taong mamahalin mo. And of course, there's something in night vision. I told you, unti-unti nang lumalawak no, ang iyong imahinasyon, ang iyong prediction and visions, intuition and instinct, no, para masilayan ang totoong nilalaman ng karma. And of course, this is something that will force you with a turning back. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawang kamalasan sa iyo, babalik sa mga taong gumawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda. No, walang makakaligtas sa principle of karma. Diba? So, let's see what is the realm and angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck. So, there is a fear and afraid. No, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mangamba. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang kung ano man yung bagay na yung ginagawa. And there is a relationship connected na magkakaroon ng konektado ulit kayong dalawa ng person mo or pagdating sa relationship para magkakaroon ng connection ulit. And this is something heartbreak Now, some of you, meron naman dito naghiwalay, nasirang relasyon at nabasag na talagang pagsasama. What is an angel's number? For an angel's number, represent with a 666 with a great blessing. Nurture yourself. You need desires and boundaries. Let go of the things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful and expand your spiritual or all areas of your life. That big love, opportunities, or job need to squeeze somewhere. Diba? Kumbaga, pagmamahal mo daw at pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo at mag-set ka raw ng boundaries dahil may mga biyaya na maaaring makuha mo na at intindihin mo lang kung ano man yung bagay na nangyayari, and of course, just let go. Hayaan mo siyang kusang maganap. What is the money move oracle deck? There is a love life. Malaking factor sa buhay mo ang pag-ibig. Free from problem and money, troubles. Enjoy the passion of love. Enjoy mo lang yung pag-ibig, relasyon. What is the shadow work represent what? From the shadow work represent what? And there's a having hope, no? Meron ditong huwag ka na mawala ng pag-asa. Navigate your shadow with compassion and gentleness. Maging mahinahon ka. Nakakaba mo yung pasensya mo. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. There's a clarifying for a love situation. Represent what? Represent with a frozen heart. Empathy and warm melts barrier for truth connection. Na mas pinapatatag at mas pinipreserve dito yung pagmamahal na pangmatagalan at totoong connection yung dalawa. Let's see what is the what lies beneath very future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinahanap mo? And there's something fighting for what you love. No, kailangan talaga yung paglaban ng pagmamahal na meron ka. No? Claiming what yours love is a battlefield. No, pag-ibig at pagmamahal talaga ay parang ano yan parang laro na kailangan mong ilaban, no, at ipaglaban. There's a clarifying for life situation. For clarifying for life situation, represent guys with right track. You are going to right direction, so keep going, moving forward. No, tama ka ng direksyon, tama ka ng tinatahak. No, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Huwag kang hihinto. No, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. What is the path of the light? Represent what? What is the path of the light? Represent what? Dispersion. I take one step at a time, focus in the present moment. I release all doubt and fear, allowing peace to flow into my life as I trust the journey and embrace calm. So, kailangan hinay-hinay lang, utay-utay lang. No, hindi mo naman niya maaagad Kailangan mong kumalma. No? So, let's see what is a Pika card, yes or no. So, let's watch this. With a Pika card, yes or no. So, let's start with the number 1. There's a yes. Reach of a high goal, success is near. No, nalalapit na para magtagumpay ka na. No, na malayo na at malayo pang mararating mo, kumapit ka, magtatagumpay ka talaga. There is a number 2, there's a yes. Clearing the air, refreshing change. No, nililinis talaga yung boundaries mo, na unti-unti talagang babaguhin ito ang sitwasyon mo at ang kalagayan mo. Number 3, there is a no. It's just a fork up a real time in the behind. Sa likod nito, no, hindi totoo ang pinapakita. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. No, hindi lahat na nakikita mo totoo. At hindi lahat ng pinapakita ay totoo. Kaya kailangan pag-ingatan mo, basahin mo na mabuti ang isang tao o sitwasyon. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 15 hanggang July 21 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. After kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-lik-lik ng kumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!